Federal investigators say they have the men who caused an explosion inside a Harvard Medical School building. As WBZ's Louisa Moeller shows us this evening, prosecutors say these men set off fireworks and then ran from the building.
20-year-old Dominic Frank Cardoza from Bourne rushed out of court with his family and attorney after facing a judge on a charge of setting off an explosion at Harvard Medical School.
This is a simple case of property damage. It's not even charged as a trespassing.
Setting off an explosive device inside a locker at an institution geared toward higher education is not some harmless college prank.
But federal investigators say this is not a simple case of young men causing mischief. They argue Cardoza and his co-defendant, 18-year-old Logan David Patterson from Plymouth, knew what they were doing.
Surveillance cameras captured two suspects wearing face coverings, walking near the medical school and lighting what appeared to be a Roman candle fireworks.
U.S. Attorney Leah Foley says the suspects started their night of mayhem around 2:30 Saturday morning, allegedly seen climbing scaffolding to the Goldenson building and entering through the roof. Then investigators say a fire alarm went off and the men escaped through a first-floor exit.
They began ditching distinctive items of clothing that they were previously wearing.
When investigators went inside, they found a firework described as a cherry bomb had exploded inside of a fourth-floor locker outside a Harvard lab.
This explosive device had the potential to cause significant injury to anyone nearby.
The FBI says Patterson and Cardoza had started the night partying at various colleges and after the explosion headed to the Wentworth campus, describing to Wentworth students and visitors what they had done, even showing a video. 4 of those witnesses came forward to law enforcement. Regardless of evidence, Cardoza's defense attorney says the case should not be in federal court, just because Harvard is an institution that accepts federal funding.
Same thing, which was ironically stripped from Harvard. Now that Harvard got their federal funding back, gives them jurisdiction to charge this matter over here.
Both men were released from custody on the conditions that they stay away from Harvard buildings and do not talk with each other. In Boston, Louisa Moeller, WBZ News.